Welcome to the new episode of Fun Learning, where learning is fun. Hi everyone! In this episode, you will learn how to first apply the concept of technology to promote skills enhancement of administrative professionals. Second, develop the interest in working in business office with up-to-date office technologies. And last but not the least, to discuss the different types of technologies. So, let's start. These days, it seems like technology is the one who runs our lives. And with our smartphone, tablet, and other gadgets, it seems like we can function without it. In short, technology has exploded in the market and now, some people can actually live without it. We need to understand how the office technology evolves and why it really matters in the office. Because the office culture has changed a great deal for over the last 60 years. The office technology progress that soon has a different entry-level workforce and won't even recognize the typewriter and Rolodexes. And here are some examples of them. First, let's talk about corresponding and copywriting. Typewriter is actually a thing in the past, and in some cases, it is a collector's item. The copywriters of all clicks away at their noisy typewriters can actually now tap at their MacBook, laptop, and other gadgets with the touchscreen. Second, communication capabilities. Before, we were actually having a lot of difficulty when it comes to our communication since we don't have enough tools or advanced technology to use. But now, in just a smartphone, you can actually make calls, send messages, check your emails, and even held a lot of meetings online. And with just one click of your finger. Third, connecting with creative director. Switchboard operators in 1960s were responsible for connecting calls throughout the office. It is really actually a complicated task in an organization. But now, thanks to business phone systems with automatic call distribution, calls are now directly routed to the specific employee regardless of his business size. Lastly, ensuring your files are safe. Briefcases are a fashionable way to keep all your information with you at all times. However, it can be lost, stolen, and the worst, damaged, with all your precious information inside. But thanks to the advancement of cloud computing system, you can now keep or store them online and access them everywhere, even when you're on the road, in your meeting, or even in a client presentation. Now that you already know the office technology then and now, have you ever been curious how the offices run their organizations? It is usually used by leaders, members, public staff, volunteers, and other employees. It is very important to set up simple systems in order to help the office to work smoothly. We have a different type of technologies that play a vital role in every office. But first, let's talk about intranets and internet. Well, some of you might think, what is the difference of intranet and internet? First, intranet is a private network, therefore it can't be accessed by anyone else. It provides limited users and limited information that can be only accessed by these specific users. It is like a telephones, dictionaries, calendar, events, job positions, and human resources and information that can only be posted and updated. While on the other hand, the internet is the total opposite of internet. It is a public network, therefore it can be accessed by anyone else. It also provides a unlimited information to the public. Second, web pages. It is an online strategy that allows you to market your business online, and because of this, it is possible for the business organizations to post their information or to sell products online, to do so on the World Wide Web. Third, web-based email. Basically, it is an email that can let you send or receive information, mail, right from where you are as long as you have an internet connection. Fourth, voicemail. What exactly is voicemail and how does it work? Voicemail is a digitally recorded message where when you dial someone and they aren't there, your voice will be automatically recorded and will be sent to their mailbox. Now, for example, hello, you've reached the voicemail of Michaela, Assistant Secretary. I'm currently either away from my desk or on the other line. Please leave your name, telephone number, and a short message after the beep, and I'll sure to get back to you soon as I'm available. We also have electronic calendars, office suites, portable PCs, groupware and decision support systems, and teleconferencing. Teleconferencing is the use of telecommunication devices that used to have discussions between participants in different locations. There are 3 types of teleconference. First is the computer conference, audio conference, and video conference. On the same hand, we have voice recognition and video conferencing, where voice recognition software allows the humans to talk to the computer and the computer will understand the voice. It will actually pass through the electronic process where the voice information will be translated. Next is multimedia systems, where multimedia systems present information through the combination of video, animation, sound, and graphics. And here are some examples and uses of them. We also have electronic whiteboard, smartboard, records management, and the office technologies such as scanner, laser optical disc, and processor. Storing valuable information and being able to manage them so well will lead you to the vital success of your business. And sooner or later, you will need more space of your data. It might be with the use of business, professional activities, and sooner it will also be one of the lifelines of your company's success.
We will be discuss about technologies your future office needs to step into the future. So, let's start.
Number 1. Reliable conference line. Having a reliable service for conference and video calls has a great impact on the workers and team members at all locations. Their connection should be improved so that problems or any concerns would be raised and heard easily.
Number 2. Diverse communication tool. Finding tools that work together is crucial that will rarely be present in a single tool. Having different communication tools help in sharing ideas, whether it is a physical whiteboard, video conferencing, or digitally sharing screens. Number 3. Cloud-based platforms. Every office should use cloud-based platform to protect important data and make sure to easily access by authorized person everywhere. Number 4. Balance between smart tech and eco-friendly architecture. We cannot only think of our future because we should also be responsible enough to our own surroundings. We should create a fine balance between smart technologies, cutting-edge materials, and doing the responsible thing for our environment in order to have a betterment of our society and organization. Number 5. Seat, stand, desk, and IoT. To promote employee wellness and collaboration, we need to think if the employees are comfortable in their workplace. Number 6. Robust private office network. Planning for the future of any office should include the creation of a robust, fiber-based private office network. By this, we can establish to promote a secure environment that will be important to an office to connect within a specified office network. Number 7. Dependable Wi-Fi. Dependable Wi-Fi is key to keeping employees in the zone at dahil rin sa Wi-Fi or sa internet na ginagamit para mag-function ng mga online tools natin, kailangan natin ng malakas na internet connection. Sometimes, nagbabayad pa ang mga offices para sa magandang service, just to be sure na wala nang magiging problema. They also invested in high-end appliances na kayang mag-handle ng Wi-Fi connections. It can also help the IT teams to understand the network and solve any future problems that might prevent the team from being productive. Number 8. Internet of Things Technologies. Internet of Things refers to the rapidly growing network of connected objects that are able to collect and exchange data using embedded sensors. Examples are thermostats, cars, lights, refrigerators, and more appliances can all be connected to the IoT. In the office today, kailangan natin mag-invest sa mga equipment na kailangan natin para mag-continue ang service na mayroon tayo. But we need to be more knowledgeable kung alam ba talaga ang makatulong sa atin, lalo pa at ang technology ang nagbabago o nag-e-evolve just to make office environments more comfortable and productive. Number 9. Multi-factor security. Every modern-day office needs to be armed with the multi-factor security. A badge and passwords are no longer strong enough tools to keep companies protected. Hindi na sapat ito para maprotektahan sila either physically or digitally. So, para sa future ng isang office, we should outfit with multi-factor access, deployable with facial recognition, iris scans, and keystroke dynamics. Number 10. Cybersecurity. No matter what change in the technological playing field, there will always be a need for robust, effective cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is an umbrella term that covers all of the technologies and processes used to keep computer systems and electronic data protected. It is also a mechanism that protects businesses and people alike from malicious intrusions from hackers, malware, spyware, and other dangerous methods of hacking. Number 11. Electronic whiteboards. Since an office have the capability to store and print everything, they should invest in electronic whiteboards. This can also increase productivity during meetings. All notes that are taken can be saved without having to rewrite and form from a whiteboard, creating a better note-taking experience. Number 12. A great pair of headphones. Many workspaces are too loud and chaotic. Para makapag-concentrate at ma-isolate mo yung sarili, you should have a great pair of headphones at your desk. This will help you focus and zone in your own work tasks.
The next blog is about ways technology has reshaped the modern workplace. So these are the ways technology has reshaped the modern workplace. Number 1. Changing the way business communicate. Number 2. Keeping it fully organized. Number 3. Making business operations more productive. Number 4. Helping in cost management. Number 5. Keeping the business secure. Number 6. Giving customizing options. Number 7. Increasing collaboration. Number 8. Reducing the risk of security breaches. Number 9. Improving efficiency of employees. And last, enabling remote working. So, we try to explain each ways in using technology in the modern workplace. So, let's start.
Number 1. Changing the way business communicate. Technology has changed the way people used to communicate in the modern workplace. The arrival of smartphones, social networking sites, chat apps has brought communication to a new level. Because of these changes, the communication at the office becomes faster, instantaneous, more deliberate, collaborative, and unified. With the help of technology, first, you can send emails, text-to-video chat, or even video conferences with subordinates through social networking sites. 2. You no longer need to be present at your workplace every time. Number 3. You can engage in other important perks outside the office. And last, number 4, you can keep in touch even face-to-face with your colleagues at the office through video chats and conferences.
Second is keeping it fully organized. Technology helps in keeping the business fully organized, especially using project management software that helps in building, delegating, reviewing, and assessing a task. supervising workplace activities that help in keeping everything on track, fixes responsibility, accountability, efficiency, and time delivery of tasks assigned to people. Number 3. Making business operations more productive. One of the roles of technology is to improve the productivity and performance of the organization. Business nowadays rely on the different tools to overcome challenges of executing strategy every day. Because of that, managers can easily track progress during every phase goal completion and offer immediate reinforcement to keep performance and deadlines on track. Number 4. Helping in cost management. Improving profitability is the ultimate goal of every company. Due to innovative technological software, companies are now becoming fiscally healthy as these innovations are proving to be more cost-effective. Example, SaaS tool software as a service is a software distribution model in which a third-party provider hosts applications and makes them available to customers over the internet. SaaS is one of the three main categories of cloud computing, alongside infrastructure as a service and platform as a service. Number 5. Keeping the business secure. Technology plays a vital part in securing the business. Using innovative technology and implementing security software and algorithms, companies keeping the business sensitive information that is only accessible to the right people can be secure and protected from any malicious hacking attempts. Number 6. Giving customizing options. Technology has made it possible to customize any software according to the variable business needs. Every business workplace, large or small, has its own way of doing things in achieving their goals. In that case, customized software will be able to provide a kind of technological support that suits their style of working. Number 7. Increasing collaboration. With the help of technology, companies completely change how the company collaborates and connects with the people anywhere at any time. This kind of communication between employees also help to encourage teamwork, mutual understanding, and bonding between the employees. On the other hand, because of technology, companies' collaboration level has improved that helps leaders and managers to stay in touch with their employees and has enabled the companies to keep their clients updated. Number 8. Reducing the risk of security breaches. Businesses before were so bothered in securing the important data that they have. But now, with the use of technology, the threat of data thefts and leaks have been reduced. Technologies not only secure the company's critical and important information, but also it helps them to keep check on their employees' online communication and activities just to be sure that they don't do things against the company. Number 9. Improving efficiency of employees. In improving the works of the employees, time management is an important concept that everyone should have to be more productive in the future because poor time management can cause deadlines to be misleading to unhappy client. With the help of modern technology, time management becomes easier and more reliable. These tools have helped in optimizing the daily working routines, help the employees to focus on the most important task, and helps in increasing efficiency of the employees. And last, the number 10, enabling remote working. New technology has enabled remote working, teleconferencing and co-working space which has completely reshaped the modern workplace. These tools like mobile and cloud technology helps everyone to communicate and also connect workplaces from different locations, help the employees to work from anywhere with a click of the mouse, and has made it possible to coordinate with the best employees no matter where they are.
So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys.